Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Immigrate to Canada by Saisha, and today I'm going to talk about how to book RT-PCR test at Delhi airport, and this is the latest one, which is January 2022, and I'm going to explain step-by-step process of booking this RT-PCR test at Delhi airport. So first thing that you got to do is just type in the Google search New Delhi airport COVID test. So once you type that, you will see a screen popping up like this. So just go and click on this one. This is a New Delhi airport website. So once you click that, you will see some information here. But what you got to go and click is this one, which says book COVID-19 test. So click there. Once you click there, you're gonna see like there are three types of tests: RT-PCR test, rapid PCR test, rapid antigen test. So out of these three, what you got to consider to travel to Canada from New Delhi airport to anywhere in Canada. So these two tests are the one which are eligible. So you don't have to do this rapid antigen test because this is not allowed. Okay, so you have to do either of this test, which this is RT-PCR test and cost 500 rupees. This is RT-PCR test, cost you 2,900 rupees. This depends on how fast you want your test. If you have enough layover, let's say you are traveling from Chennai and you're going to Delhi and you don't have enough layover, so you can book rapid PCR test. This is 2,900. And if you think you have enough time, layover time, you can just book this RT-PCR test, which is 500 rupees. So before I continue to the next, I request everybody, whoever is watching my video, please like, subscribe, and share my video to get more contents about immigration to Canada. So next step, what you need to do is you need to go here and type international departure because you're traveling from India to Canada. So this is international departure. Just type that and put your name. I'm just typing a random name here. I'm typing John Smith, and email address I'm typing johnsmith@gmail.com. Phone number as well. I am typing a random phone number. And then you can choose either of the identity proof. This you can choose Aadhaar card or your passport number, your passport. So I'm just typing a random number here as well. And then select the date that you want. So I'm selecting tomorrow's date, which is 18th January, and book a slot. So I'll book a slot somewhere between 1 or 2 o'clock. And date of birth, this is again a random date of birth. I'm just picking 94 and just picking 16 Jan, and gender male. Flight number, whatever your flight number is, I'm just typing Air India flight 187. And then you have to type your address. I'm just typing Marine Drive. This is random again. And country, India. Nationality, India. I'm traveling to Canada, so I'm just typing here Canada. And then type of test. So this depends on which is your priority. Let's say you want to go with RT-PCR 500 rupees one, or you can select rapid PCR 2,900. Again, if you don't have enough layover time, if you're from Delhi, you can just book this RT-PCR test, this one, which is 500 rupees. But if you're not from Delhi and you're traveling anywhere from, like example, you are traveling from Kolkata, so you can just, and you don't have enough layover, you can just book a rapid PCR test. This is a little bit expensive, but worth it. So I'm just going with RT-PCR 500 rupees one, then just confirm these two. And if you have a more number of passengers, you can just, let's say you are traveling with your family, just type this two people. Again, you have to do the same thing, put the information of the second person, but I'm just going here with one. And then just say confirm and agree and book now. All right, so it's gonna take a little 30 seconds and it will go to a payment screen where you got to make a payment. It can be through a card, can be through a pay later option, net banking, wallet, whatever is the best. So whenever I book this, I booked it through the credit card that I have. So just type the number, whatever your credit card number is, all the number, put your name, put the CVV number, and just say pay. Once you do that, uh, an email will send to your email saying that this is confirmed booking, and you can print this page and then go to the airport, Delhi airport, and they will do your COVID test, and they will give you report in like probably 8 hours of time. Um, for if you're just doing a 500 rupees one, but if you're doing 2900 one, it will be a little bit early, like 6 hours of the time that they promise, but they will give you a little bit early. Okay. If you have any question, please put your questions in the comment and I will be able to reply you. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, and share it to your friends. Thank you so much.